When you're inside your assignment, you're going to see sometimes two different assignments for 11. One says past due and the other does not. If you have the past due assignment, use that as the default. If you've already submitted your assignment but you haven't added comments, then you're going to have to use this one. In the Read tab is where you will annotate the text. There's been a previous video about that. Make sure that you select audio and numbers. All of these buttons should be turned on. This should be left blank in order for you to annotate. Pretend that you already have your annotations done. In the Quiz tab on tab 3, you'll see a button here that says Save and Continue. If I select an answer, this is just random, for the quiz, I'm going to have to press this button here that says Save and Continue. Alright, on a pro tip for taking the quiz, I always like to press Select Split Screen Mode, and you'll notice that in split screen mode you can see the original story that you can put numbers on, you can have the audio playing, and then that way when the quiz question is prompting you to read a certain section, for example, this quiz question number 1 is asking you to read section 3, you can have them side by side. So that discusses the split screen mode option, which I think is a pro tip. I definitely recommend it. So once you've answered a quiz question, you want to press Save and Continue, and that will take you to the next question. And you'll go ahead and keep processing through until you get to the end of your comprehension quiz. The fourth tab over is StudySync TV. There is a video discussing the story, and underneath that you'll see a Submit Assignment option. If you click Submit Assignment, it'll ask, are you sure you are ready to submit your assignment? And once you've completed the reading quiz, if you have any incomplete questions that you didn't answer, it'll let you know that the reading quiz is incomplete. But if you finished everything, it'll just ask you if you're sure you want to submit, and you'll click yes. And that is how you submit your assignment.